is for Antechinus, tiny and quick. B is for Bilby with ears you can't miss. C is for Cassowary, big and bold. D is for Dingo, clever and cold. E is for Emu, who runs real fast. F is for Frill-neck, lizard built to outlast. G is for Goanna, crawling around. H is for Humpback whale, making a sound. I is for Ibis, poking its beak. J is for Jellyfish, glowing and sleek. K is for Koala, cuddly and cute. L is for Lyrebird, who loves to flute. M is for Magpie, swooping from trees. N is for Numbat, snacking with ease. O is for Owl, who hoots in the night. P is for Platypus, what a sight. Q is for Quokka, the happiest face. R is for Red Kangaroo, leading the race. S is for Sugar Glider, flying so high. T is for Tasmanian devil. Oh my! U is for Urchin down in the sea. V is for Velvet Gecko, climbing with glee. W is for Wallaby, hopping with grace. X is for X-ray fish in a glassy space. Y is for Yabby in the muddy creek. Z is for zebra finch with a chirpy beak. Now we've sung from A to Z with Aussie animals wild